In this video, I'm going to show you how to get your last year's AGI or adjusted gross income directly from an IRS transcript. First, you'll need to request an IRS transcript, and the best option for AGI is either a return transcript or an account transcript. You can request this through the official IRS website by choosing Get Transcript Online. If you have an IRS account, or Get Transcript by mail if you don't have one or can't verify your identity online. When requesting the transcript, you'll need to provide your social security number or ITIN, date of birth, mailing address from your last filed return, and select the tax year you need. Once you receive the transcript, look for AGI amount listed on it, which will usually appear clearly labeled as adjusted gross income for the tax year. If you are using an account transcript, make sure you are referencing the original filed return, not an amended one, unless your tax software tells you otherwise. So that's it.